Hello everybody, my name's Talha Khan and I've built the Smart Door. So in the market today there are many different locking systems that can be controlled using voice. But the doors themselves are still nothing more than pieces of wood. So inspired by Jarvis from the Iron Man movies, I propose a smart door that contains an Amazon Echo Plus and motion sensors embedded into the door's design itself in order to provide the next generation of home automation and an illustrious voice user interface using AI. The smart door that I've built is a front door system that provides not only a front door home security system, but also provides a visitor-friendly interaction between visitors of the homeowners in meaningful manners. So the system design is as follows. So the visitor is going to approach the front door and the motion sensor is going to capture the fact that someone's at the front door. From the motion sensor, the Amazon Alexa is going to activate the skill for the interaction and the dialogue. Alexa would greet the visitor saying, "Hey there, what brings you by?" And from there, the visitor would respond in many different ways. But for example, let's say the visitor was a delivery man. The visitor would say, "I'm here to deliver a package for John." Alexa would internalize that data and text the homeowner saying, "Your package is home." She would greet the delivery man goodbye and the interaction would be over. Another example would be if the visitor is here to visit, the homeowner. They'd say, "I'm here to visit John." Alexa would then message John saying, "Someone's at the door." Alexa would ask the visitor if there was anything else that they wanted to say to John. And if they do say any more dialogue, like say, "Come to the door, John, please," the Alexa device would message John with the message that the visitor actually gave. Here's the system in action. That's it. Hey, so unfortunately my motion sensor died. But nonetheless, I was able to get the motion sensor connected to the skill itself. So we're gonna demonstrate sort of the proof of concept and the dialogue that would occur when the motion sensing activated. Keep in mind the motion sensing is not working because the power is dead. Okay. Alexa, smart door.
Hey there. What brings you here?
I've got a package for John.
Cool. I'll text him letting him know.
There it is. And another one, we'll go again. Alexa, smart door.
Hey there. What brings you here?
I'm here to see John.
Okay, I'll text him that you're here. Would you like to tell him anything else?
Tell him come to the door.
Okay, I sent him your message.
Here is the message. So someone's at the door. Come to the door. Awesome. So some of the technology that was used on this project includes, AWS, Amazon's cloud services, particularly the Lambda functions that provide serverless computing power. I also use the Alexa Skills Kit SDK to build the dialogue, the Twilio API for text messaging, and I also use, Zigbee-based motion sensors, as well as the Alexa Echo Plus for hardware. So coming into the hackathon, I was familiar with the Twilio API, And I have built a project with the Alexa Skills Kit before with a team, but during that project, I didn't even look at any of the documentation. So needless to say, the documentation is very dense, and I'm just glad to have finished the product in the end. This was also my first time using, motion sensors, and they've really put me on as to how powerful hardware can really be. You might be surprised. And so, with that being said, I firmly believe in the business model behind smart doors, and hope to pursue an entrepreneurial career with them, and on a larger scale, smart home manufacturing. But thank you guys so much for the wild ride, and Rowdy Hacks forever.